Long before bottled mouthwash sat on bathroom shelves, people reached for a simple twig from the neem tree. For centuries, this ancient practice, known as datun, was the standard way to clean teeth and freshen breath across India, Africa, and the Middle East. Today, we compare this age-old twig with modern mouthwash. Which one actually supports healthier gums and fresher breath? Let's look at what the research shows. The neem twig, called datun in traditional practice, comes from the neem tree, a plant long valued in Ayurvedic medicine. Used since ancient times, it's simply chewed at one end until it softens into natural bristles, then rubbed gently against the teeth and gums. No packaging, no added ingredients, just a twig straight from the tree. Its long history has made researchers curious about what's actually happening at a chemical level. Research suggests neem contains natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce plaque and support gum health. Some clinical studies have found neem-based rinses may help lower signs of gum inflammation when used consistently. It's worth noting, these are general findings, not guarantees. Results can vary. Still, neem's natural composition explains why it has remained part of daily routines for generations. Modern mouthwash is designed for convenience and consistency, often formulated with antiseptic or fluoride ingredients tested through clinical research. It can reach areas a twig may not and rinses the entire mouth in seconds. Dentists generally note that mouthwash works best as a supplement to brushing, not a replacement. So the comparison isn't really old versus new. It's about what fits into your daily habit reliably. For most people, both can play a role in a healthy routine. Neem twigs may appeal to those seeking a natural, additive-free approach. Mouthwash may appeal to those who want fast, standardized results backed by clinical testing. Some people even combine both, using a twig in the morning and rinsing with mouthwash after meals. The best choice is the one that fits naturally into your day. Whether you reach for an ancient neem twig or a bottle of modern mouthwash, what matters most is consistency and proper technique. Talk to your dentist about which option supports your routine best. If you found this comparison helpful, subscribe to Anatomy Visual Lab for more clear, science-based health documentaries. And tell us in the comments, which one do you use?